Hey guy, this is Keyless One coming in. Yeah, just getting a new truck. It's not new, 2011 for the channel. Yeah, and I was searching for a while until I come up with. Yeah man, come up with this one now. I'm gonna have to do some repairs on it. You know, I'm gonna have to fix this truck, but this is the one for the channel right now. So it's dirty inside. Need a little cleaning, you know. And dash need cleaning, seat get torn a little, and one of the headrests of the back seat missing. The guy said he can't find it. And then, you know, little rust on the body outside, not a lot, just on the fender well. The engine have a little misfire, which I think I know what it is, but we're gonna have to probably take the heads off and stuff like that. But you know, we gotta have work for the channel, DIY style. Yeah guys, so keep watching this channel and you will see all the updates. See all the updates coming for this, you know. Maybe not gonna do a lot now because it's cool outside. So yeah, cool outside right now, you know. So we're gonna have to take the heads off maybe. I'm just checking, I have to take the valve covers off and see if that's what it is. But there goes your truck right now. You know, coming soon with a lot of work. We got new tires, new front brakes and all of that already. Get a little bang on the bumper right there. You know, so all that have to get fixed. It's coming soon. Some scratch right there. Little rust on the tailgate right there. Dual exhaust. Little rust right there on the body. Gonna forget that fix. But it's coming up, guys. Alright. So you know, I gotta do some of that, you know, cleaning. Driver's seat over there have a little torn on it. I'm gonna have to fix that. So stay tuned guys, this is what we have for the channel, and we're gonna have to put it together for 24. Alright, stand by. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, this is the new guy that comes to the channel. Yeah. Alright. New guy that comes to the channel now, guys. Get ready for all the work I gotta put into this. I have a misfire and cylinder one, but I'm gonna fix it. So this is just a quick walk around on it. Tuning up the Dodge Ram 15 on the Ram. It's not Dodge anymore, they changed it to the Ram. Ding! Yeah. That's the inside. Remove all those spark plugs. It's two spark plugs to each cylinders. I'm putting in new coils. 16 spark plugs, 8 coil packs. These are the new ones. Right here in the plastic, all yellow. I put one in already, and one around the corner right there. And these are the rest of the spark plugs that are coming out. I'm also doing a brand new oil change, new air filter and all of that. So it's kind of like a big job. It's tricky and tight around this corner right here underneath the booster, and this side is not going to be so hard. You're just going to get into those. So I just bought this one and trying to put it together, you know what I mean, like doing a nice little tune up on it and stuff. Alright, so this is a Ram 1500 2011. See the Ram, but it's getting too cool now, man. Can't do no work. Right there, there's the Ram. Got some new tires on it. I bought it with those new tires. See? new tires, practically new brakes. You know, they're slotted rotors. Truck got a little rust spot there, I gotta get out. Yeah. It's the big on, baby. You know, do a little walk around on it. Rims need to be cleaned up. So you got little rust in the rims and stuff. You know. Yeah, little rust right there, some scratches. Yeah, man. Alright. Dual tailpipe. You could dent on the bumper. And as you all know, this is a Benz. I already pick it up. Now it have good suspension because I take off the air suspension. So now it riding real nice. Yeah. So this is the new guy that comes. And we gotta have to start do some work on it. You know. Yeah, man. I don't got the key with me right now. Alright. Stay tuned.